Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. Today, I'll show you how to download and install the Safepal app to securely manage your crypto wallet. Let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store according to your device, and in the search bar, type Safepal and look for the official Safepal app. It should have the Safepal logo and be listed as Secure Cryptocurrency Wallet. Once you have found it, tap on Install or Get to start downloading the app. This should only take a moment depending on your internet speed. When the download is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If this is your first time using Safepal, you'll see a brief introduction screen. Now, you'll have two options: either create a new wallet or import an existing one. For first-time users, choose Create Wallet or Get Started and follow the steps to set up a secure password. If you already have a wallet, select Import Wallet and enter your recovery phrase or private key. If you are creating a new wallet, Safepal will prompt you to back it up. Make sure to securely write down your recovery phrase. Remember, never share this phrase with anyone. It's the key to your wallet. Once your wallet is backed up, follow any remaining setup prompts to complete your account setup. And that's it. You are all set to start using Safepal for your crypto wallet needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Financify for more quick and easy finance tutorials. See you in the next video.